can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum. Currently trading around $1,560. We've seen Ethereum lose 16% of its value over the last 1 week. It's down 27% over the last 1 month, and over the last 1 year, we've seen Ethereum lose 54% of its value. Is the bottom in? How low can we possibly go? If we're waiting for a relief rally, how high are we going to see the market retrace? We'll take a look at Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar. The last few days has sent the markets tumbling down. There's extreme fear right now in the cryptocurrency market. We're also going to be looking at Ethereum's dominance in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum's market cap, and we'll look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin. Is it over for Ethereum? Ethereum going to zero? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 week has seen altcoins dumping aggressively, double-digit losses across the board. Ethereum has not been left out. We've seen Ethereum go from as high as $1,900 dumping to as low as $1,400. Market participants are in extreme fear. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is down bad. Last month there was fear. Right now there's extreme fear in the market. Market participants are scared because of Trump tariffs. Maybe, just maybe, we'll continue dumping to goblin town. But guys, I'm of the opinion that the bottom is in. If the bottom is not in, we're very, very close to the bottom. Of the opinion that the sentiment in the market has gotten to the extreme. And I will not be shocked if we see a reversal in the coming days and the coming weeks. And that reversal might be very violent. A lot of market participants are shorting the market right now. We could easily see a 702 retracement for Ethereum. Ethereum could easily rally above $3,500 in the coming days and the coming weeks from where we're currently trading right now. A 702 retracement to see Ethereum rallying back to the $3,320 level. It sounds outrageous to say that right now. Market participants are not expecting us to quickly reverse. Market participants are not expecting us to even have a bullish price action. But guys, we entered 2025, the market was positive, the market was bullish, but the early phases of 2025 has sent us tumbling down to goblin town, with Ethereum going from as high as $4,100, dumping to as low as $1,400, losing over 65% of its value in just under 120 days. But that's not over for Ethereum, guys. The market goes down, it goes up. We have known over time, if you want to make money in this market, you have to buy extreme fear and you have to sell extreme greed. And right now, there's extreme fear in the market. That's what you want to be buying. You want to buy when market participants are scared. If you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency world concerning Ethereum, you see that many market participants are not in buying mode, they are in selling mode. The message from market participants or from the news site is that you should be fearful. You should be fearful, but that's not what you want to do. You don't want to be afraid when prices are at a 2-year low. You don't want to be afraid when Ethereum dominance has gotten to the lowest point where we have seen it trade since January of 2020. This is the lowest Ethereum dominance has gone to in the market since then. Except you think Ethereum dominance is going to zero, except you think this is the final point for Ethereum in the market. Ethereum has no use, it's going to go to zero. Then you have to be shorting Ethereum. But if you look at Ethereum's RSI on the dominance, the RSI is oversold. If you look at the price, we're going parabolic in the downward price action. I will not be shocked if we see a snapback. I will not be shocked if we see a reversal, a sharp V-shaped reversal in the coming days and coming weeks. I will assume a lot of people have been shorting Ethereum since July of 2024. A quick reversal will liquidate the bears. And for us to liquidate the bears, we have to pump. So a 100% pump for Ethereum is not out of the possibilities of things that can happen in the nearest future. Now, if you look at Ethereum's market cap in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum's market cap got to as high as $495 billion just as late as December 2024. Right now, Ethereum's market cap sits around $170 billion, more than a 60% decline. This is the lowest we have seen Ethereum's market cap trade since January of 2023. So many historical things happening for Ethereum. Ethereum is down bad. We have seen extreme fear in the market, lowest prices that's traded in a while. Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin says it's down bad. This is the lowest we have seen Ethereum valued against Bitcoin since January of 2020. So is there a reversal along the way? Is there a reversal? Is there a reversal in the corner? I believe there's a reversal. I believe the next rally we see will send Ethereum pumping aggressively to the moon. Ethereum trades around $1,569. Fully diluted market cap sitting at $189 billion. Total supply for Ethereum is 120 million coins. The market has been difficult to trade over the last few months. We have been seeing huge declines, continuous declines. But guys, remember, every dump we have seen in the past always led to a good buying opportunity, and every pump we have seen in the past always led to a good selling opportunity. I don't think this time is different. I believe you want to buy the dip, you want to sell the pump. That's how you make money in the market. And right now, with Ethereum trading around $1,500, a retracement rally towards $3,200 is not out of question. You want to get ready for those retracement rallies. You want to plan your trade and trade your plan. If you take a look at what happened in 2018, we first saw the big bubble pop. The bubble had busted here. The bubble has busted in January of 2018. But when we saw that retracement rally, it caught a lot of market participants by surprise. That retracement rally was very aggressive, but was very, very short. I believe something like that will happen in 2025. We saw the rally, Ethereum going up by more than 135%. But when the rally was over, what happened, guys? We saw a dump to Goblin Town. That dump to Goblin Town was down 89%. Assuming that situation happens in 2025, we'll easily see Ethereum rally back to as high as $3,300 before we see our continuous decline back to Goblin Town. Of the opinion, 2025 is very, very bearish. Even though I've started 2025 on a bearish note, we are still going to see some rallies. Even in the bear market, prices can still go up. Even in the bear market, you can still get good value for money. Now, if you have been banking on Ethereum, outperforming Bitcoin just like I've been doing over the last few years, you have been going down, you have been losing a lot of money. Ethereum has underperformed against Bitcoin, losing 77% of its value over the last 3 years. But I believe in a reversal. I believe we're going to see one huge pump over the next few days. I believe we're going to see something just like what we saw in 2018 when that reversal came in. We saw Ethereum aggressively pumping by 300% in around 50 days. I'm not expecting a 300% pump right now, but I'll not be shocked if we rally 100, 150% in the coming days and the coming weeks. With Ethereum dominance sitting at 7.5% of the cryptocurrency market, I will not also be shocked to see Ethereum dominance head back above 10%, maybe even getting to as high as 15%. The last time Ethereum was rated this low in the cryptocurrency market was in December of 2019, just before the final phases of those awesome bull markets that we saw in 2020 and 2021. Are we still going to see a pump in 2025? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How bearish are you right now on the cryptocurrency market? Do you believe the bottom is in for Ethereum? Do you believe we're still going to continue dumping down to Goblin Town, or you are buying the dip? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.